Hello, my name's Maureen Charlton. I live in Cornwall in the UK. Today, I'm going to share a little bit more about the Ultisend tool that is available within ViralMailProfits, which I use to send out my viral mailer campaigns in real time at speed. So I'm just going to share my desktop with you. I'm actually using Zoom, which everyone can join as a free member. And I think at the time of doing this video, you can have up to 5 guests. So that's pretty good going. So I've got my viral mail profits open and I've gone to mailers. I've already added my template in my mailers, as you can see, for example, for bulletproof, 1, 2. I've got a number of headings that I've used and I can use as many times as I want. And I've got 7 mails set up that I can use anytime I want. So even though it's the 30th of October at the time of doing this video, I could use the one crush it that I wrote on the 20th of October. But today I'm going to use 7 imperfect actions better than none. As you use the mailers more and more, you get to know the ones that you like, you prefer, where you get the best results, and I'll show you how to get that in a minute. So I'm sending out one today, which I know does not work very well with the Ultisend tool in ViralMailProfits. It used to kind of like 8 months ago, and it doesn't anymore. So the one I'm going to send to is the lead magnet. So I highlight that. I could do a number, for example, I've got so many that I could select these and send them all, like to go out today to a number of them, but I'm just going to do one so I don't overwhelm you. So it's bulletproof that I'm promoting today, which is an option within Heal. And imperfect actions better than none. Do you agree? Imperfect actions, is better than none. So it's now in my outbox, and this one I'm using is the lead magnet. I'm just going to move this down. I'm just going to open up the lead magnet. Help if I get my spelling right. The lead magnet. So that'll take a few minutes. It's gone quicker than normal. I'm already a member of that, so I'm not going to hang around. Don't need to buy any credits. What's particularly good in the lead magnet are the banner ads. Why can't, oh, no thanks, take me to the lead magnet. And they're always selling something to you, so be used to that. So I'm just letting that tick along, so I haven't sent that one yet. Another one that I know is Pangea 2, so I'm just going to go back to mailers because I know this one. And this is a really good site to be a free member of. And you literally, I'll show you how to use this one. You nip in, nip out, you know, there's no messing in Pangea 2. Let's go back. Pangea save list. Oh, now. And again, you can save your mailers in these sites. So I'm going to pull it proof again. Let's go to imperfect actions better than none. Do you agree? Imperfect actions better than none. Create. So just nip back to the lead magnet while I gain a few credits while I'm there. Just going into Pangea 2. So I'm multitasking here. It's worth multitasking. It really is. Oh, I'm not logged in. Let's log in. Yeah. Okay. Continue to my membership here. Just nip back to the lead magnet. I want to claim some more free credits. I like free credits, me. So I've got a load of saved mails in Pangaea too. You know, they're all here. So I could select one of these and send that. But I'm going to pop in a new one just for this example. So back to ViralMailProfits. Let's go to Pangaea. Go on, come on, C. Pangaea, come on, V. Go to the body. Tab, come on, C. Yeah, come on, V. There, get the URL, C. Back to Pangaea. And I notice the link's already in there, and I know this particular mailer doesn't mind links in. And I'm just going to add that mail. Let's go back to the lead magnet, watch another ad, back here. Oh, Pangaea's a bit slow today. And normally the lead magnets are really slow, but it's not today, which is quite good. Okay. Okay. What's another one? I mean, I love free credits. If I just get it by sending and multitasking, you know, I'm not spending hours at it. So Pangaea's loading a bit slowly today. It's loading my email message. So whilst that's being a bit slow, I'm just earning some credits. I probably earn about 4,000 credits at the lead magnet, and that's enough to get a free black banner. Right, well, it's gone now. So let's go back to credit mailer in the lead magnet. Oh, it's not compatible with this. So I'll defect last use, it will say could not determine. And all it puts in is the subject and the link. So hence why in ViralMailProfits, I've set it up to go manually. I've sent that. I'm not putting in a number. I'll make sure I've got the right. Yeah. So I'm now going to the lead magnet. I want the content command. A, come on, C. No, there's an error on Panga. Never mind, I'll come back to that. So I'm putting in the content in the lead magnet. The link's there. The lead magnet lets you put one link in. And I'm going to do an extra 4,000 credits because I'm a paid member here actually. So I think I get 10,000 credits for doing nothing else. But I've been a member there for like years. So that's gone. So that's the lead magnet gone, and it went to 13,999 people out of there. I'll have to come back to the Pangaea. Back to ViralMailProfits. I want to make a note that I sent to 13,999. I've sent it. Off it goes. So that's how you do it manually when it's a particular mailer doesn't work very well with the Ultisend tool. And, you know, this is what the Ultisend tool is. So, because I'm doing the incompatible ones. And let me stop my screen share. Stop share. Now, remember, I'm going to save all this in a Google document and I will put the links below. But hopefully you get the gist of it. Any questions, do give me a shout out. More than happy to help. Big hugs from Cornwall. Get those ads out. Do half an hour in the morning, half an hour at lunchtime, half an hour in the evening. It's good to do it in different time zones. And remember, with email campaigns, you know, you might send 100,000 plus out today, but you will get leads from them as the week goes on. It's the same with banner ads and text ads. They're not immediate, but they do work. Trust me, they work. And if you get 0, then that means your email's not very good, or the link that you've put in there, maybe your capture page's not very good. Hope you got some awesome tips. Bye for now.